Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can force enable transparency in Windows 11. So for that, first you have to go to Windows settings. You have to click on here and you can search here or simply click on settings. Then under here you have to go to personalization and you have to click on accessibility, and in here you will find the option called visual effects. Click on that and here you will find the transparency effects. You can enable it or you can disable it. So if you notice, if you enable it, there is an effect going on. It's a bit transparent, and if you disable it, it's gonna become complete white. So this is how you can force enable transparency in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video. Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your Windows 11 laptop that is slow. So for that you have to first open a task manager. For that you have to click on Ctrl Shift and Escape, and here under startup you have to disable all the unwanted programs, unwanted startup programs. For example, I have already disabled this. You have to right click and click on disable. So you have to disable all the unnecessary ones. So after that you have to search for animation effects here. So you have to turn it off. Make sure to turn it off. So you also can turn off the transparency effects. Then you can do one another thing. You have to go to this PC and right click on this PC and click on properties. So here you will find advanced system settings. You have to go there. Under there you will find this option. Under performance you have to click on settings, and in here under visual effects tab you have to click on adjust for best performance and click on apply. So after that click on OK, and after doing these three processes your laptop will be significantly faster. And also you can do one more thing, that is go to power options, and in power option you have to go to the main settings and you have to click on high performance mode. But beware that it will consume your battery a little bit more. So that's how you make your Windows 11 laptop faster. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.